Hello and welcome to Zimstate Media. Zimbabwean comedian, actress and entrepreneur Tarisai Cleopatra Chigojo, also known as Madam Boss, is celebrating her birthday today, April 16. Born in Harare 1985, Madam Boss turned 41 today. Her journey is a classic rags to riches story. Orphaned at 10 after her mother died, she left school to work and support her siblings, starting as a maid in Mazeva village and later in South Africa. Those experiences inspired a breakout comedy persona, Luzai, a maid character whose kids went viral on Facebook, making her the first Zimbabwean comedian to hit 1 million followers. Looking at her career highlights, in her music, she started as a gospel artist with a debut album, Sunungura. In comedy, known for raw-related skits showing her daily life as Madam Boss, ordering her maid. In acting, she cast in Nollywood series The Offspring, SABC drama Bettina Wetu. In business, Madam Boss owns the Madam Boss boutique in Harare, and she's a brand ambassador for many companies. Looking at the awards that she has, she received the Entertainment Legend Award at the Icons of Africa Awards in Johannesburg on May 30, 2026. Madam Boss is married to Ngoni Zashe Munetsiwa, who also writes some of his skits. From a village girl who started hustling after grade 7 to a continental star, Madam Boss has built one of Zimbabwe's most recognizable entertainment brands through talent, patriotism, and consistency. Happy birthday to her. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.